Today we have taken a review with in Primary Health Center at Gawad, whereby we had the visiting committee. The chairperson was Mr. John Mascarenhas, along with Dr. Gaurish. Dr. Gaurish and JSRE members. Mr. Jude was there. And in fact, there was some issues which were still pending, which jobs are to be completed. But I would like to make a mention that almost we have done a lot of renovation, a lot of good work has been carried out here, where almost 1 crore, 1 lakh has been spent here. And which is a good thing because the OPD here is almost 150 per day. Before Porvori was even now Porvori has got their own separate health center, so it's only for Aldona. But in spite of that, OPD is good. They have good doctors and everything, but there are certain jobs that are pending. And there's some internal settlement to be done by the Director of Health along with JIDC. So I will take up the matter with the Honorable Chief Minister immediately, because certain jobs that are pending has to be done immediately, because there's a major water problem here because of the pump and the overhead tank, which is totally beyond repairs. So the request from the doctor here is to give us water from the sump tank, pump it directly to the hospital here, Primary Health Center. So which we need a pump, because the pump has been almost for 15 years, which is probably again beyond repair. So we need a new pump. And whatever jobs that are pending, we'll take up the matter. Probably there'll have to be a fresh estimate to be taken. Normally the jobs are taken by PWD, but on the recommendation of our first earlier Chief Minister Parsekar, he had said to carry on the work, which I appreciate is move, and the work is done. And now I'm positive that my Honorable Chief Minister Parikar will do the needful. I'll take a meeting immediately and get the things resolved as soon as possible.